Hello, this is Catherine Blankenship for AEP 800 Integrated Technology. Today I'm going to discuss one of my 5 new technologies. I chose to do my next video over Adobe Spark. The one thing I really like about Adobe Spark is that you can pretty much do anything on it. The one thing I dislike about Adobe Spark is that even though it is free, I tried getting my kiddos to use it this last year and they were unable to because they didn't have an email. So I can totally see how middle school, high school kids can use it to do projects, but I'm unsure how my elementary kiddos can use it. Of course, I can use it. I can make things on it to use as presentations or slideshows. I really like that it says, from your templates. I mean, granted, I don't have any templates right now, but I could add templates if I wanted to. You could do Instagram story or Instagram post, Facebook. We could do a photo collage, presentation, slideshow. I was kind of playing with it earlier, and I clicked on projects. Here's what I chose. I believe I chose to do a poster. Okay, and I'm not really sold on the milkshake one. It was just one that I picked. So you can pick any template you want, just like Canva and just like Venngage. You can make posters. You have templates you can choose. I mean, like I said before in my other videos, I can really see the kiddos if they were able to use it. So like this last year, what I really wanted to use it for was I had some kiddos that were kind of higher up in the reading, and so they didn't really need fast forward for reading interventions. And so what I gave them was project-based assignments. And what I really wanted them to do was use the Adobe Spark to create a poster to showcase the animal that they chose. They were supposed to do a research project on an animal, but I couldn't get Adobe Spark to work in the classroom, so that was a bummer. But like I said, if you have older kids, like high school, middle school kids, I can really see this being useful for projects, not just reading, but social studies and science, even math. I think it's a really great tool, and I really like it a lot. I like that it's easy to use. I like that you can manipulate it fairly easily, that you can move things around, you can change things, you can delete it. And it's pretty self-explanatory, basically. Oh, except for that. I don't like that. Alright, this is Catherine Blankenship for AEP 800. Thank you so much. Bye.